Hi, welcome to my channel Quick Math. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. Now let's start. In today's session, we are going to learn how to find LCM by two methods, that is prime factorization method and division method. Now let's start the prime factorization method. What is LCM? The least common multiples of two or more numbers is the lowest of their common multiples. Now let us read through an example. Find the LCM of 12 and 18. How we find LCM? By using the prime factors. So first, let us find the prime factors for 12. 12 can be written as 2 into 6, or also you can be write as 3 into 4. Here 2 is a prime number, so no need of doing anything now. So next take 6. 6 is a composite number, so we have to write the composite number, the product of the numbers. So 6 can be written as the product of 2 into 3, and in the same way here 3 into 4. If you see, 3 is a prime number. Next 4 can be written as the product of 2 into 2. In the same way we have to write 18. 18 can be written as 6 into 3, or you can be written as 2 into 9. And 6 is a composite number, so we have to write it as 2 into 3. And 3 is a prime number, so write 3. Now let's see the prime factors of 12. What are the prime factors of 12? 2 into 2 into 3. In the same way, the prime factors of 18 are 2 into 3 into 3. Now, how to find LCM now? See the common factors in 12 and 18. Here 2 is common, so round it. And if you see 3 is common in both, so round it. Now from whatever the numbers you have rounded, take one of the number from it. That means take only 1 2 and take only 1 3. Now what are the remaining numbers? 2 into 3. Now take the product of the numbers. 2 into 3 gives 6 and 2 into 3 gives 6. So 6 multiplied by 6 gives 36. Now let us see one more example. Here we have to find the LCM of the numbers 16, 20 and 14. In the same manner how we find the prime factors before, here also we will find. 16 can be written as the product of 2 and 8. 2 is a prime number. Now next go for the composite number 8. 8 can be written as the product of 4 into 2. Next again 2 is a prime number and 4 can be written as the product of 2 into 2 into 2. And here also 20, in the same way 14. Now what are the prime factors? The prime factors of 16 are 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. And the prime factors of 20 are 2 into 2 into 5. And the prime factors of 14 are 2 into 7. So now how to find the LCM? First of all, see the number which is common in 3 factors. So 3 numbers. Here 2 is common in 3 numbers. So we have to write 2. And there is no other common number in 3. So what we have to do? Then go for the next number which is common in both the numbers. So here 2 is common in both the numbers 16 and 20. So we have written it down. And next the remaining numbers. What are the leftover numbers here? 2 into 2 into 5 into 7. And take the product of all the numbers. 2 into 2 gives 4. 4 2 is 8. 8 2 is 16. 16 5 is 80. 87 is 560. So this is the prime factorization method. Whatever you have done in the prime factorization method, the same can be applicable for the division method also. That means the answers will be same whether you have do it in the prime factorization method or in the division method. So now let's see the examples how to do the division method now. If we use the division method, always remember that you have to use prime numbers in order to divide the given numbers. So now let's see through an example. Find the LCM of 12 and 18. So how to find LCM here? We have to do division. How we will do the division? We have to use only the prime numbers in order to divide the numbers. So first 12 and 18. 12 and 18 can be divided by two ways. One is by 2, other one is by 3. Now we will see both the methods. So 2 can divide the 12 by 6 and 2 can divide the 18 by 9. 2 6 12 and 2 9s 18. And here 3 4s 12, 3 6 18. So if you divide with different numbers also, you will get the product as the same. Next 3 2 6 and 3 3s 9. Here 2 2s 4 and 2 3 6. So here you have used 2 for the first one and 3 for the second one. But whenever you take the product of this, you will get the same. Now, what is the LCM of 12 and 18? 2 into 3 into 2 into 3, which gives 36. 2 3s 6, 6 2s 12, 12 3s 36. Now, let's see through one more example. Here also we are using division method. Find the LCM of the numbers 16, 20 and 14. Here also see the numbers and divide it by 2. 2 8s 16. Always see the numbers which can be divided by prime numbers. Don't go for the composite numbers. Always you have to divide it by prime numbers. So 2 8s 16, 2 10s 20 and 2 7s 14. Now the 8 and 10 can be divided by 2 but not 7. So whenever the number is not dividing, you have to get the number down, because 7 will not be divisible by 2. So get the 7 down. So 2 4s 8, 2 5s 10 and 7 will not be divided by 2. So get the number 7 down. Again you can divide it 4 by 2, but 5 will not be divided by 2 and the 7 also not divided by 2. So let's get the 5 and 7 down and 2 2s 4, because 5 and 7 are composite numbers. It will not be 5 and 7 are prime numbers. It will not be divided by any other number. So now we will find the LCM of the numbers 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 5 into 7. So the LCM of the numbers we have written now 2 2s 4, 4 2s 8, 8 2s 16, 16 5s 80, 87s 560. Here if you have observed the first numbers what we have used for the prime factorization method, we have used the same questions for the division method also, so that in whatever method you have divided, it will be the same. Now see the questions in the practice session and practice the sums. If you have any doubt, please let me know in the comment section. I will clarify your doubts. Thank you for watching the video. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, subscribe and share, and let me know in the comment section which concept you want me to share in the upcoming video. If you have any doubts regarding the topics whatever I have explained, please feel free and let me know in the comment section. Always I will clarify your doubts. Thank you.